Everybody, listen up. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to Krabi Hot Springs. Have you ever been there? Let us know in the comments. You know, it's been raining the last few days here, so we're ready to warm up, we're ready to relax. Come along with us. Made it to Krabi'S Hot Springs. That was a long ass drive, but I'm so excited to get in there, relax a little bit, and just cool down or heat up. We'll see what happens. So we're just gonna go buy the ticket. It is 20 for Thai and 200 for foreigner, but thankfully I am Pumkon Thai, so it should be okay. It's 10 baht for parking, everybody. So if you can't afford it, don't come. Look around us right now. This is the time to come. There is absolutely nobody here. And as you can see by the scale of this food court, they usually probably have a lot of people. So I'm expecting once we get in there, that it should be all to ourselves, if not just a little tiny bit of people. So if you're in Thailand, if you're in Krabi, right now is the time to come to see the hot springs. So we're just making our way into the actual park here. And I think depending on when you come, but for us, that front gate was where we had to drop the bike off. And now we are hiking to the actual spot. I don't know how far it is, but I'm hoping it's not that far. By the way, you cannot bring any food or other drinks in. And you only can bring in water. And there is no food sold inside the park here. So keep that in mind if you're going to bring a bunch of food. It's too bad. You have to leave it out there and walk to it. Let's go. This is the first touch of the water. It's actually pretty hot. And, you know, for a hot day like this, plus hot water, I'm gonna be so red, but it's gonna be very relaxing. So this is the spa area. It's a bit closer to the front than the actual natural waterfall and stream. But we just stopped to feel the water here, but now we're gonna head on down to the actual stream because I want to sit in a natural stream. Look at the atmosphere here. Like you're coming, every step you take further gets darker and darker and kind of more jungly, and you can start to hear the sound of the waterfall. So I'm so excited to see what's coming up next.
It's so beautiful.
Alright, so this is the first look at the actual waterfall, and it's so beautiful. It's like tiered, so each kind of tier has its own little pool that you can sit in. It looks clear and clean, unlike the river down here, which is a little bit more murky, but clear water, warm water, and little comfortable places to sit. Let's get in. We have now been sitting in here for quite a bit, and it is perfect. Even on the hottest day, You come and you sit here, you're gonna feel cold when you get out. You know, it's relaxing, it's comfortable, and it's clean. Like you don't really have to worry about fish or other kind of animals in here. It's really hot and it's basically all rock. So a beautiful spot to come. I highly suggest it. We're going from hot to cold. Osup Morocco is where we're going now. Let's go check it out. Okay, so we just arrived at the Emerald Pool here, and we're excited to take a little dip. Again, it is 200 for foreigners, and it's 20 for Thai. So don't believe me, I'm fully Thai. I know you guys believe me, but it is what it is. So we're in now, and we're gonna go check it out. I'll tell you what I think when we're in there. Would you just look at it? I'm gonna jump in, test the waters a little bit. Oh, they feel it's like perfect temperature. So I'm gonna do a little dipsy dive right here. Look at this place, it's beautiful. Is it deep? Penny, on a scale of 10, 1 to 10, how many snakes?
Snake?
Yeah, on a scale of 1 to 10.
10. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding.
So, we saw it, we swam in it, and I would have to say, if you're coming from out Nong, definitely worth the drive. 100% come out here, rent a bike, and experience, the hot springs and the Emerald Pool. Both great destinations and totally worth it. If you like cold water, come here. If you like hot water, go there. It's beautiful. Emerald Pool, it's oddly snakeless, so I have to recommend it. For all you snake haters out there, I really enjoyed it.